You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Nokia 9.3 PureView is not officially released yet. The specs mentioned below are based on rumors. The smartphone features a quad camera that consists of 108MP wide plus 8MP telephoto plus 13MP ultra-wide plus TOF 3D depth on rear side, and on the front there is 24MP wide plus TOF 3D depth. Additionally, the rear camera consists of Zeiss optics, dual LED dual-tone flash, HDR, and panorama. The device is packed with 6GB and 8GB RAM, while the internal storage options include 128GB and 256GB. Nokia 9.3 PureView, Nokia 7.3 and Nokia 6.3 are now expected to launch in late Q3 or early Q4. Based on leaks and reports, Nokia 9.3 PureView is also said to feature a 120Hz display, and it could be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 processor. This version of the smartphone comes with a huge screen size of 6.7 inches, providing 1080 into 2400 pixels and 481 ppi density. The display screen is a POLED capacitive touchscreen. The Nokia 9.3 PureView is available in two colors such as blue and black. It includes features such as GPS with dual-band AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, radio, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB 3.1, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. The device runs on the Android 10.0 plus Android One operating system. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.